8 years of the BJP-led NDA dispensation have been dedicated to the country's balanced development, social justice and social security. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Friday while asserting that the people's faith in the government's delivery mechanism has been restored post-2014. Addressing the BJP's National Office Bearers meeting in Jaipur via video conferencing, Modi asked the party leaders and workers to launch a campaign to ensure that no poor, eligible beneficiary is left out of the government's welfare measures. He said this month the NDA government will complete 8 years. These 8 years have been of resolutions and accomplishments. These 8 years have been committed to service, good governance and welfare of the poor. Modi said that 8 years have been of fulfillment of expectations of small farmers, labourers and the middle class. In the 75th year of independence, the country is setting for itself the goals for the next 25 years. He noted, adding, "This is the time for the BJP to fix the goals for the next 25 years and to work continuously for them." In an apparent swipe at the opposition parties, Modi said some political parties keep looking for small incidents of tension to inject poison for their selfish interests. Attempts will be made to deviate you from the country's development issues, but you have to stick to them, he told the BJP leaders and workers.